how to turn on or turn off Bluetooth ringtone sync on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connections. After click on Connection, click on Bluetooth and click on this three dot icon and click on Advanced Settings. After click on Advanced Setting, you will see ringtone sync is here. If you want to turn on Bluetooth ringtone sync, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Bluetooth sync is turned on. If you want to turn off Bluetooth ringtone sync, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Bluetooth ringtone sync is turned off. You will turn on or turn off Bluetooth ringtone sync from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Bluetooth ringtone sync on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.